Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I want to talk about something that has the potential to transform your life in ways you may have never imagined. I want to share with you a simple yet profound truth, 3 words that, when fully understood and embodied, can take your dreams from the realm of imagination into tangible reality. We often look at our external world and believe that our circumstances, our limitations, and even our past define us. But what if I told you that this couldn't be further from the truth? What if the power to create your future lies not in the external world but within you? Think about the times in your life when you felt truly aligned with a vision. Maybe it was a goal, a dream, or a deeply held desire. What was happening in those moments? Your focus wasn't on fear, doubt, or limitations. No, your focus was on possibility. You felt an inner energy, a magnetic pull toward what you wanted to create. That feeling is not random, it's a state of being that aligns you with the reality you desire. Here's the truth: your thoughts are the language of the mind, and your emotions are the language of the body. When your thoughts and emotions are aligned, when they work together in harmony, you step into a new reality. This isn't wishful thinking, it's the natural law of creation. Now here's the key to manifest your dreams. You must live as if your future is already here. The brain doesn't know the difference between an experience you have in reality and one you vividly imagine. When you can feel the emotions of your future, when you can see it, hear it, and experience it in your mind, you are reprogramming your body to live in that future now. The 3 words I'm sharing with you tonight are not a secret, they are a practice. They are simple, yet they hold immense power. I am becoming. I am becoming acknowledges your current state while affirming the infinite potential within you. It is a declaration to the universe, to your subconscious mind, that you are stepping into the version of yourself who already has what you desire. When you wake up each morning, start with this practice. Close your eyes and imagine the life you want to create. Feel it, see it, embody it, and then repeat, I am becoming. Feel the energy of those words. Feel how they resonate with the very core of your being. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about rewiring your brain, aligning your emotions, and shifting your energy. When you live from this state, you attract opportunities, ideas, and circumstances that match your vision. You no longer chase your dreams, they find you. The future you desire is not as far away as you think. It exists right here, right now, in the quantum field of infinite possibilities. By practicing I am becoming, you bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Each one of us carries within us the potential to create a life far beyond the boundaries of our current reality. The key lies not in what we see around us, but in how we think, feel, and act in alignment with what we desire. When you begin to understand the connection between your thoughts, your emotions, and the energy you project into the world, you tap into an extraordinary creative force. Every thought you think sends out a signal, and every feeling you hold brings that signal back to you as an experience. The future you dream of isn't something you chase, it's something you create by aligning your state of being with that vision. The key to unlocking this potential lies in a simple shift: no longer seeing yourself as separate from your desires, but rather as the person who is already becoming them. To step into that future, you must live it now. Feel the emotions of already having what you want, as if the dream is real in this moment. When you act, think, and feel as though your vision is your reality, your brain and body begin to align with that future. You are no longer a victim of your environment, you become a creator of your destiny. It's not about where you are now, it's about the path you are choosing to walk and the person you are becoming in the process. Transformation is not just a hope, it's a choice, a commitment, and a way of being. By embracing this, you activate the powerful force within you to turn your dreams into reality. Every individual possesses an incredible capacity to create a life that transcends their current circumstances. The power to transform your dreams into reality lies within you, rooted in the way you think, feel, and act. Often we believe that external situations or past experiences define us, but this belief is far from the truth. True transformation begins when we shift our focus inward and align our inner state with the future we wish to create. Your thoughts and emotions are not just abstract elements of your being, they are powerful tools of creation. Thoughts are the language of the mind, while emotions are the language of the body. When these two are in harmony, you generate a powerful state of being that resonates with the reality you desire. This isn't simply a mindset shift, it's a rewiring of your brain and body to embody the energy of your dreams as though they are already here. The key lies in realizing that your future exists as a possibility in the present moment. By focusing on it with intention and clarity, you can bring it into existence. The brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and one that occurs in reality. This means that when you visualize your desired future and immerse yourself in the emotions it evokes, you are training your brain and body to live as if it's already happening. The transformative phrase 1 a.m. becoming is a declaration of this process. It acknowledges your present while affirming your connection to the infinite potential of your future self. When you wake up each day, take time to visualize the life you want. Imagine it with all your senses, see it, feel it, hear it, and experience it fully. Then repeat, "I am becoming," and allow those words to resonate deeply within you. This practice isn't about wishing or hoping, it's about aligning your state of being with the reality you are calling forth. As you maintain this alignment, your energy begins to shift. You start attracting opportunities, relationships, and circumstances that match your vision. Instead of chasing your dreams, you draw them to you effortlessly because you are vibrating at the same frequency as the life you desire. This is not magic, it's the natural outcome of living in coherence with your future. Manifestation requires you to step beyond the limitations of your past and embrace the creative power within you. You must choose to see yourself not as a product of what has been, but as the architect of what can be. The words "I am becoming" hold the key to this transformation. They remind you that your journey is one of evolution and growth, and that the person you are now is already unfolding into the person you wish to be. By living in this state of being, you transcend the boundaries of time and circumstance. You move from reacting to the world around you to creating the world within you. In this space, your dreams are no longer distant, they are part of the reality you are actively shaping. This power has always been within you, waiting for you to recognize and embrace it. When you do, the possibilities become limitless. The potential to transform your life and manifest your dreams lies in recognizing that your reality is a reflection of your inner state. Most people live as if they are defined by their circumstances, repeating the same thoughts and feelings that reinforce their current situations. But the truth is, your external world doesn't define you, it responds to the energy you project. When you begin to think beyond your present conditions and feel the emotions of your desired future, you change your energy. This shift sends a signal into the field of possibilities, aligning you with outcomes that resonate with your vision. The key is to live as if your future has already arrived, not to wait for the circumstances to change, but to embody the person you wish to become right now. Your brain and body are incredibly adaptive. When you vividly imagine your future and connect emotionally to that vision, your brain starts firing in new patterns and your body begins to experience the future as if it's real. This is how you condition yourself to attract opportunities and events that align with your dreams. Saying "I am becoming" reinforces this transformation. It bridges the gap between who you are today and the version of yourself that already lives in your ideal reality. These words carry the energy of growth, evolution, and creation. They remind you that change isn't something distant, it's happening in each moment as you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your vision. This isn't about ignoring your current reality, but rather transcending it. By focusing on the possibility of your future and feeling it with your entire being, you signal to the universe and your subconscious mind that you are ready to step into that new version of yourself. The more you practice this, the more you attract experiences that match the energy you are embodying. Your dreams don't require struggle or force, they require coherence. When your mind, heart, and body are aligned, you naturally flow toward the life you desire. Everything you need is already within you. The question is, will you choose to activate it and live as the creator of your destiny? The journey begins now with the choice to say and believe, I am becoming. The power to create the life you desire is not something you need to find outside of yourself, it's already within you. Too often, we look to external circumstances, waiting for them to change before we allow ourselves to feel joy, gratitude, or success. But this approach keeps us trapped, reacting to the world instead of creating it. True transformation begins when you understand that your inner state, your thoughts, emotions, and energy is what shapes your reality. When you shift from focusing on what is to envisioning what could be, you open the door to a new future. This isn't just a hopeful idea, it's grounded in how your mind and body work together to bring about change. Every thought you think sends out a signal, and every emotion you feel acts like a magnetic pull, drawing experiences that match that energy. When you repeatedly think the same thoughts and feel the same emotions, you reinforce the same reality. But when you start to think and feel in alignment with the future you desire, you begin to break free from the patterns of the past. The process is simple yet profound. Imagine the life you want not as a distant goal, but as a present reality. See it in your mind's eye. Feel it in your heart. Experience the joy, the freedom, the abundance as if it's already yours. By doing this, you train your brain to believe that this future is real and condition your body to feel as though it's happening now.